In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to sort your slides or pages, name your slides, and also group your slides. This is very similar to PowerPoint. As you see, your pages or slides are located on the left-hand side, and this current lesson has a total of 17 pages, and there's a blank page for number 18. Now, if I wanted to add more pages, all I would have to do is find where I wanted to add a page. So if I want to add a page after page 18, I click on page 18, go up to the menu, and click Add Page. If I want to delete a page, I just highlight the page I want to delete, go to the menu, and click the Delete page. And since pages 18 and 19 are blank, I'm going to delete both of those. Now going to page 1 again, I notice that it's date stamped. Now instead of having it date stamped as the title, I can change the title. When I click on the slide, it highlights blue and a little drop down menu appears. You see, I can delete the page, I can clear the page, I can insert a blank page, I could clone the page. Clone the page just means I make another copy of the page and it'll come right after this page. See how page 1 and now page 2 are identical? That is cloning the page. But since I do not need 2 pages, I'm going to delete the additional one. Rename the page. That's what I would like to do. I would like to rename this page Lesson Title. And I can rename each of the pages. This one I can rename Mental Math and Reflexes. Now what if I wanted to sort? What if I wanted to put the vocabulary page ahead of the mental math page? Well, all I have to do is click on slide 3, hold the left mouse button, and slide my mouse button to the position I want it. Now since I want to swap with page 2, I'm going to put it right after page 1, and now it is moved. There is another way to view this. If you go to this very top bar of your slide sorter and click Edit Page Groups, it will bring you to this setup here where you can see all your slides on one page and you can rearrange and order them any way you wish. Now, if I wanted to group them, say I want to group beginning of the lesson, middle of the lesson, and end of the lesson, I can create new groups. Now I can title my groups by renaming them, and I can rename this one Beginning of Lesson, and I can name this one Middle of Lesson, and I can name this one End of Lesson. And these are very generic titles, and you notice that it automatically drops some slides in here, but I can rearrange. A reflection would come at the end of the lesson, and you notice they group the slides together. The middle of the lesson might be individual practice, student practice. When you're finished, you may click this X. Also on this page, if you click, you can edit your individual pages as well. You can create groups, clone the pages, insert blank pages. You can even add a page to the gallery. In a previous lesson, you learned how to organize your gallery. Well, if you have a page that you use quite often, it's a repeat page, you might want to add that certain page to your gallery. When you're finished, you can close this page and you're all set. In this lesson, you learned how to sort and organize your pages. You learned how to clone pages, add and delete pages, and you also learned how to create groups and name your groups.